there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience.
Welcome family and friends to my kitchen. To do this carrot punch, I'll be using 500 grams of carrot, half cup of raw almond, half a teaspoon of vanilla and almond extract, 300 grams of condensed milk, half a nutmeg with mace and a pinch of salt. In 2 cups of water, you want to boil your sliced carrots with the cup of almond for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will allow this to soak and cool for about an hour or hour
When
and
cool,
a half. You will remove the coating from this almond seeds, guys, and I know you're in for a treat. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Turn on your bell so that you'll get that post notification as soon as I upload a video. Remember, leave your comment in the comment section, and after the video, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. All right, guys, so it's time to put it all together. So I will add half of the almond and half of the carrot in my blender, and I will show you just in a little bit what I will do. Now, guys, I want to give a big shout out to my niece Soraya behind the camera. She is very new to this, guys, so I have to big her up because she's helping Auntie do her thing.
If you're celebrating a birthday today or an anniversary, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen.
Our family and friends, in the blender, I have my almond, I have my carrot, I have the mace and half of a nutmeg. Guys, the mace smells good and it gives the punch an extra special flavor.
A very extra special happy birthday to
My nephew Ryan and friend and subscriber Franklin, and to all my other subscribers who are celebrating birthdays.
Wim's Kitchen loves you with all my heart.
All right, guys, so we're gonna blend this all together, and we want it to blend as smoothly as possible, so I will blend it on high speed. Now, guys, our time for nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna add the milk, and then I'm gonna put back my blender on low blend and allow it to mix in or sweeten the carrot punch. Now, guys, remember the amount of milk you use is really up to your liking. Next, guys, I will add the spices, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and about a half a teaspoon of almond extract, and then we will blend this all in. Now, guys, it's time for the food for thought. It comes to us from 2 Corinthians 9 and verse 10, and it says, "Now he who supplies seeds to the sower and bread for food will also supply and increase your store of seed and will enlarge the harvest of your righteousness." And to that I say, now, guys, the first part of the sweetening is all done, and if you could only smell the different flavors coming from this carrot punch. Now, guys, we're gonna go on to sweeten the second half of the carrot punch. It is the same process. Add your sweetened condensed milk, vanilla and almond extract. Pour it onto the first batch that has already been done. Guys, we're going to stir it all together and leave it to chill for about an hour and a half or 2 people, and it is all now done. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my page as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. See it right here, so subscribe to my channel, and you can always follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Wim's Kitchen, and up on over to Facebook and like my Facebook page, Walking in My Mother's Shoes. Now, guys, after chilling, it's time to serve you up some good old carrot punch. Guys, take a good look at this. You see, same way it will look nice and rich. I see him, so it tastes nice and rich. My niece said, "Auntie, this tastes like a carrot ice cream." It is carrot punch. Once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my kitchen, my pot, onto my daughter's table. I'm happy that I was able to share this with you.
For coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you cooking Jamaican style.